I work in quality assurance. So in the Navy, I was a damage controlman, and as a damage controlman responsible for the firefighting equipment on the ship and shipboard survivability from flooding, fires, any type of damage that the ship could possibly sustain. I am retired, which means I am a citizen of this country, and just to feel safe knowing that we have military personnel who go out and protect our freedoms. And I, as a quality assurance person, help to ensure that they are safe when they sail, when they go out on the ships to protect us and our freedoms. I hope that when people talk, the first thing that they say is, "Oh my God, have you been to BAE Ship Repair, Jacksonville? They do the best work. We have quality work. We have the best teams. We have the best people." And just to come here and be in this atmosphere in itself makes you want to come back for more.